Are you struggling to manage the complexities of chemical processing plant construction? Do you find it challenging to coordinate multiple contractors, timelines, and budgets? Introducing our comprehensive turnkey solution for chemical processing plant streamlines the entire construction process, from initial design to final implementation. With our expert team, you can rest assured that every detail is meticulously handled, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, your business. We understand that time is money, especially in the chemical industry. That's why our turnkey solution not only simplifies project management but also accelerates timelines, ensuring your plant is operational when you need it. With our integrated approach, you'll benefit from reduced costs, enhanced safety measures, and compliance with all regulatory standards. Imagine a construction process where you have a single point of contact, clear communication, and a dedicated team working tirelessly to bring your vision to life. Take the first step towards a hassle-free construction experience. To know more details, contact our mobile number or visit our website link in description. Don't forget like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.